Hello, my friends. This is me Ranjit, and I warmly welcome you to my channel. So, friends, I'm here with another latest cue card, which is from the list of May to August 2020 cue cards. And friends, now before proceeding further, before I tell you which cue card, which topic I'm going to share in this video, please go to my channel's playlist where you will get all types of videos. If you like my videos, then please share and please do subscribe, like. Okay, now without wasting so much time, let's have a look at which cue card is to be shared in this video. Here is the cue card. Describe something you enjoyed doing in our group. So cues are, first one is what it was, second one with whom you did it, or third one is when you did it, or last one is and explain how you felt about it. So now it's time to show you answer. Well, group activity, or you can say group work, is an indispensable part of any workplace or educational institution. I've been incredibly lucky to have been given a lot of opportunities to be a group mate during my school or college days. So, in this cue card, I would like to share one such enjoyable experience which I have had when I was in 12th grade. Friends, indispensable, it means necessity, essential, okay, or incredibly, it means to a great extent, greatly. I teamed up with three other classmates in model making competition. It was global warming and greenhouse effect working model, and we were supposed to make it within 2 days. One of our team members played our leading role. Fortunately, he was not a kind of bossy. In fact, sorry, friends, there is a mistake. There will be in fact, okay, not intact. In fact, he was exceptionally cooperative as well as optimistic. After having initial discussion, all members were given different duties. Team up with, this is phrasal verb. It means when you join another person, any group or other people in order to work together. Okay, next one is supposed to. We were supposed to make it within 2 days. It means we were expected to make it within 2 days. Next one is exceptionally. It means greatly, okay, to a great extent, extremely. Optimistic, it means a person who is hopeful or confident about his future. Okay, now let's move forward. I was assigned the responsibility of collecting some of the required equipments. I took, or you can say, I assumed my responsibility, or you can say, role more seriously. After my college hours, I went to market, which is in the walking distance of my home, in order to purchase essential material. Once we have collected a ton of needed, or you can say necessary items, we started our work enthusiastically in the hope of getting, or you can say, accomplishing desired result. Friends, in the hope of, in the walking distance of something, it means not very far, close to something, okay, near to something. This is idiom. Now let's move on. Even though there was a shortage of time, but we managed to make an awesome working model with the assistance, or you can say with the help of all members. Now we were looking forward to the result, but at the same time we were a bit tensed. Eventually our anxiety went away, or our hard work paid off. Our team was announced the winner of the competition. Manage to, it means when you succeed in doing something despite having a lot of problems. Next one is looking forward to something. It means when you are waiting for something excitedly or eagerly, especially for something that is going to happen. Okay, next one is paid off. Pay off, this is phrasal verb. It means when you have done something and that is successful. In other words, you have done something and that brought good result, okay, that brought some benefits at the end. I hope you got it. Everyone wholeheartedly applauded, or you can say appreciated, our efforts. I felt myself on cloud nine. Apart from this, I not only improved my model making skills but also had a wonderful experience of working in a group. Friends, feel on cloud nine. It means feel very happy, extremely happy. So friends, that's all about this cue card. I hope you will like my sample answer of the cue card which I prepared for you. There are so many phrases, idioms, are phrasal verbs to be used in other cue cards or question answers as well. You can use them in other cue cards or question answers. Thanks for watching and happy learning.